In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the college baseball recruitment process with confidence in the next 90 days using this proven mini course framework without having to rely on outdated advice from coaches who never actually been through the process themselves or wasting thousands of dollars on showcases that don't even move the needle. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a strategic recruiting plan that works around your high school schedule, understand exactly what colleges coaches are looking for at every level, and position yourself to get noticed by the right program that fit your goals. Just so I'm not wasting anybody's time, this is only for high school players or parent who is serious about playing college baseball. Someone who's really already putting in the work on the field but feel lost in the recruitment process. Looking for professional guidance from someone who walked through this journey not only as a Division I coach but also someone who's been successfully guided over 100 high school players through the recruitment journey. So, if you're looking for a magic shortcut without putting in the work, or you think that you have everything figured out and don't need guidance, then click away from this video. This video is not for you. But if you're a player or a parent who's serious about maximizing your recruitment opportunities, already put it in the work but need a clear roadmap and professional guidance from someone who has coached at the D1 level, worked with over 100 athletes and families through the recruitment process, spend countless hours learning from other successful coaches across the country, and you're going to want to stick around at the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate your recruitment journey with a proven framework that takes the guesswork out of the process. If you're watching this video, you have probably tried going to random showcases hoping a coach will notice you. Or maybe you have sent dozens of emails to college coaches and hear nothing back. Maybe you're even listening to well-meaning coaches who tell you just keep working hard and they'll find you. And if that's you, this mini course is going to be way different than everything else you've tried. The reason why is because most players are wasting time and money going to showcases without a strategy, emailing coaches who don't even know who they are, and missing critical recruitment windows because they don't even understand the timeline. So if that's you, then this is absolutely for you because through this mini course, you'll get a complete roadmap based on real experience from my time as a D1 coach, from successfully guiding over 100 high school players to their ideal college programs, and from learning valuable insight from coaches at every level across the country. It's the same strategic approach that have helped players avoid costly mistakes and land at programs where they can thrive both athletically and academically. If you don't know who I am, my name is Carlos Garcia. I'm a former professional baseball player who signed with the Kansas City Royals right out of high school and played 13 years professionally, including time with the San Francisco Giants organization. I compete at every minor league level and dominate in the highest levels of professional winter baseball, including the Mexican League and the Venezuelan League. But here's what really matters for you. For the last 5 years, I've coached in the high school and Division I college levels as a hitting coach and an infield coach at Delaware State University. Through this experience, I've gained valuable insights into what it truly takes to help players like you advance to the next level. But more importantly, I personally guide over 100 high school players through their recruitment journey, and I've spent countless hours researching, learning, and gathering valuable information from coaches at every level, from Power 4 programs all the way down to junior colleges. But here's the thing. When I first started helping players with recruiting, I quickly realized that most families were completely lost in the process. They were spending thousands of dollars on showcases without a strategy. They were sending emails that never got response. They were missing critical recruitment windows because they didn't understand the timeline. I watched talented players get overlooked not because they were not good enough, but because they didn't know how to navigate the system. I saw families stressed out, confused about what level their son should target, and frustrated because they felt like they were doing everything right but getting nowhere. The biggest challenge was that there was so much conflicting information out there. One coach would say one thing, another coach would say something completely different. Players were getting advice from people who have never actually been through the recruitment process themselves and hadn't coached at the college level. Now, here's something really important I need you to understand. This mini course gives you the roadmap for the recruiting process, the timeline, the showcases, the strategy, how to get noticed by coaches. But here's the truth. Understanding the recruitment process is just one piece of the puzzle. Because at the end of the day, college coaches aren't recruiting players who just understand the process. They're recruiting players who can perform. You can have the perfect recruiting strategy, attend all the right showcases, and email all the right coaches. But if you're not performing in games, if your metrics aren't where they need to be, and if you're struggling with consistency and confidence, coaches aren't going to recruit you. The recruiting process gets you in front of coaches, Your performance gave you the offer. So let me ask you, are you constantly performing at a high level in games? Do you have the metrics, exit velo, 60 time, throwing velo that match your target level? Are you confident in your approach, or do you struggle with consistency? Do you have a structured plan for your development physically, mentally, and technically? If you're being honest with yourself and the answer is no, or I'm not sure, then you need more than just a recruiting roadmap. You need a personalized development plan that helps you perform at your full potential. Here's what I want you to do. If you're serious about playing college baseball and you want a proven plan to help you to play at your full potential, book a free consultation call with me. On this call, we're going to identify your number one struggle, what's holding you back right now, define your number one goal, where do you want to play, what does success look like, and build your game plan. I'll show you exactly what you need to do to bridge the gap and play at the next level. Take action now. This mini course will show you how to get in front of coaches. Working with me help you to become the player coaches can't ignore. So if you're ready to take your game to the next level and you're serious about playing college baseball, click the link below to book a free consultation with me right now. My name is Carlos Garcia, and I'll talk to you in the next video.